Hello and welcome. This short video will give you a quick overview of the UNEP OzonAction HCFC Quota and License Tracker. But before we start, please note this tool is intended for national ozone officers to support you in your daily work. It is a simple but powerful tool to assist you with the tasks of planning, calculating, monitoring and managing consumption quotas and licenses for HCFCs. The HCFC Quota and License Tracker has two modes, the normal or members mode and a visitor mode, which can be used without an account. The functionality is the same, except that in the visitor mode, it is not possible to save information. As an Article 5 National Ozone Officer or National Ozone Unit staff, before your first use of the application, you will need to set up an account. This is because the application is secure and to ensure your data remains confidential. So on the login page, click Submit Request and fill in the details and submit. Once you enter the application, you will arrive at the home page where you have the menu across the top as well as some quick links. You can select your language and you may wish to go through the instructions before you start. And under Account, you can change your password and update your profile information. To get started, select the My Trackers tab. If you've previously created a tracker, they will be listed here. Simply click the Create New Tracker button and your country name will automatically appear if you're a registered user. You need to create a file name for your quota and license tracker and select the year for which you wish to plan, monitor and manage. And then press Save. You have now created your tracker and can then open it with the Open button. Trackers can also be deleted and duplicated from this page. Let's now go ahead and open this tracker. Once the selected tracker is open, you will arrive on the Profile page, which provides a summary of the information you entered as well as your country's HCFC baseline information and the Montreal Protocol limit for HCFC consumption in your country for the selected year. You will then need to manually insert the total permitted consumption according to your HPMP. The figure can be found in the HPMP agreement of your government with the Executive Committee. See the instruction for more information on this. If your country is an IPIC member, you can switch to automatically import a list of your country's registered importers from the IPIC platform. This list of importers is secure, confidential, and not available to other users. So now let's switch to the Quota Status tab. There's a lot on this page, but it is straightforward. There are three main sections: the Gorge and Summary information, the Buffer field, the Quota and License entry fields. The Gorge and Summary information displays the HPMP maximum allowable total consumption, as well as the quantity of HCFC quota used and the HCFC quota remaining. The Buffer field allows you to assign a quantity of buffer in ODP tons or as a percentage of the HPMP maximum allowable total consumption, and the associated value will automatically be calculated. If you do not want to apply a buffer, just leave this at 0. The quota license entry fields can be considered as the main active section where you enter information regarding the assignment or potential assignment of quotas, licenses of HCFCs. Firstly, click Add New Allocation and then select the substance, HCFCs and mixture blends containing HCFCs, Then enter the quantity of ODP tons or metric tons, and the equivalent value will automatically be calculated. You then enter a company name for which the license allocation is given or planned. If you're an IPIC member and have checked the Import Companies list from the IPIC button on the profile page, a list of your country's registered companies will be available. You can also add additional notes and a date as required. And you can add as many rows as you require. The Gaussian summary information will instantly display the HCFC quota used and that remaining according to what has been entered in terms of allocations. Rows can be locked to prevent editing or deletion. You can unlock to edit or delete the row as needed. You will need to save the tracker once you have completed your session. A PDF of the summary of the allocations can be created using the Export to PDF button, and you can also export to a data file, CSV, that can be opened in Excel. And that brings us to the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you find the application useful.